If you've seen my videos before, you probably know that I talk about low ticket items being a terrible idea, selling information products that are $50 or selling low ticket physical products. Well, in today's video, I want to completely counter that and share with you how you can make literally millions of dollars from a low ticket item. Firstly, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is John Penberthy. I'm the founder of a marketing education company called AdClients.com. We've done almost $20 million in online sales, selling our online courses and our coaching programs. And I'm pleased you're here. In today's video, we're going to talk about low ticket. And we're going to talk about how to turn low ticket into very sizable revenue and how to make that whole model work. First, I want to back up what I've said in previous videos, which I still believe in. Selling low ticket items by themselves is a very bad idea. I see people talking about how they can go ahead and attract people online who are interested in a certain topic. Let's say you have an information product or an information business or a training program, and you're going to attract those people to your product that sells for, let's say, $50, okay? It is incredibly difficult to find enough of these people to pay you $50 to make the model work and to make it worth it, okay? If you want to make thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions, okay, just do the math on how many people you would need. It's an outrageous amount. And the issue is not so much with the amount of people, because modern day marketing with Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all these different platforms that we can run on, finding thousands of people is not challenging. The challenge is converting those people, right? You've got to remember, even though it's a low ticket item, you're looking for then thousands of unique human beings with different buying behaviors, right? The reasons they buy, the triggers in their brain that would cause them to want to get out their credit card, the fear that they might have, the desire that's pulling them that direction. You've got to convince thousands of people to buy your program. That's the problem. So where does this video today come in, where I've said that you can make millions from a low ticket product? Here's what you do. It's very simple. You use your low ticket product as what we call a front end. A front end product that actually is a doorway into your bigger, more profitable side of the business. We're just going to be using this as what we call a self-liquidating offer, which means that we can be running traffic on Facebook and running traffic on YouTube, and it might cost us $50 to find said person who's going to buy this product, right? Might cost $50 in online advertising to find one person to pay you $50. Now, in any other sense, if this was your only business, then that would make no sense. You wouldn't endeavor to grow that business. However, if we're happy to pay $50 to acquire a $50 sale, then every person that we now get past this line, we've moved this person from here to here. They didn't know who we were. They've now bought our product, they're here. We now have the attention of this person completely for free, right? This has liquidated itself, but now we have this eyeball of a buyer, we have them for free. So what can we do with this? We can offer all of the people, I'm just gonna use heads, okay, for speed. We've got a bunch of people that are over this line now that have paid us $50. We can offer these people another program. And what we can do is we can make that a far more expensive program. It is the law of averages. There are going to be a small, but still significant number of people here that have paid you $50 that would be interested in a higher form of training or coaching. Not everyone, it is a small group. But if we get 50 people over this line and 3 of those people want to join, I don't know, let's even just go crazy and say you're going to have a $5,000 coaching program that teaches the same stuff you teach here, but you actually work with those people one-to-one, you're coaching them, right? If 3 of those people take you up on that offer, well, of course, now, quick math, you've got an extra $15,000 in sales that you never would have seen. It took 3 people to do so. What that allows you to do is take a bunch of that, put it on the front end to acquire more of the $50 sales, which bring buyers through that then get offered something high ticket. Most of them say no, a handful of them say yes. That's where you make your money. That's where you make great profit. And that's what allows you to then reinvest back into the marketing on the front end. So if you're thinking about selling low ticket products online, you must and I emphasize you must add a more expensive back-end option. Again, knowing that most people will say no, a handful will say yes. That's what will make the wider model work. And I've used this model to make literally millions and millions online. If you'd like to learn more about particularly this portion here, I'd love to teach you. This is my bread and butter, selling high ticket courses and coaching programs. And I'd love to share with you the whole model, how we package up these offers, where we find these customers, how we convert these customers, because you can even do this without the need for a low ticket front end. You can actually bypass that and go straight here. I'll teach you all about it. There's a link in the description box and the top comment. That is a free training, completely free. Consume it, enjoy it, implement it, and I hope you find it helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. Make sure to turn that bell notification on. And if you want to learn more about this kind of stuff, there's another video right here that I think you'll enjoy, and I'll see you in a future video.